now with the situation in Albania. The opposition party in Moldova does take part in the activities of the working bodies of the parliament, in the committees, in the bureau, and the fact that sometimes the opposition leaves the parliament for a certain reason is absolutely a right of the opposition in a democratic society. Thank you.
Thank you. What is the opinion of the Monitoring Committee on the amendment?
Against.
The committee is against. I now shall put the amendment to the vote. Vote is open. The vote is closed. I call for the result to be displayed. The amendment is rejected. Amendment number 5. I call Madam Guter to support amendment number 5. You have 30 seconds, Madam.
Monsieur le Président, Mesdames et Messieurs, dans le point 15, nous proposons de supprimer le nom de notre pays parce que la situation de la République de Moldova ne peut pas être comparée à celle de Bosnie-Herzégovine. Il n'existe pas la situation qui est créée dans ce pays et notamment le manque du contrôle parlementaire sur le gouvernement. En République de Moldova, la coalition majoritaire qui est l'Alliance pour l'intégration européenne constitue la majorité au Parlement et elle exerce le contrôle du gouvernement. Merci.
Merci, Madame Gutu. Does anyone wish to speak against the amendment? Mr. Petrenko.
Thank you. As far as understood, we are speaking about amendment number 5. Because it seems, I'm sure that we have to strengthen the capacity of the parliament in Moldova, because in fact now we don't have elementary conditions for the parliament to work, for the staff. We don't have a parliamentary building. We are placed in the Ministry of Agriculture. This is absolutely unacceptable for the state. And that's why I consider that we have to strengthen the capacity of our parliament as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Petenko, what is the opinion of the Monitoring Committee on the amendment?
Against.
The committee is against. I now shall put the amendment to the vote. The vote is open. The vote is closed. I call for the result to be displayed. The amendment is rejected. I now call Madam Guter to support amendment number 6. You have again 30 seconds, Madam.
Monsieur le Président, Mesdames et Messieurs, à cette heure, à présent, il n'y a pas de recommandation générale acceptée et approuvée pour tous les États membres du Conseil de l'Europe en ce qui concerne la répartition des sièges après les élections parlementaires. Je ne crois pas, nous ne croyons pas que la République de Moldova devrait faire figure à part et surtout constituer le sujet d'une formulation dans un projet de résolution de la part de la Commission de suivi. C'est pour ça que nous proposons la formulation qui a été unanimement adoptée par la Commission, et notamment l'amendement 2.
Merci, Madame Gutu. Does anybody wish to speak against the amendment, Mr. Petrenko?
Thanks. This amendment that was proposed totally changes the idea and the sense of this paragraph. Moldova is a unique country now in the Council of Europe and in the world that has this so-called Robin Hood formula of reallocation of seats after the parliamentary elections. It was mentioned many times by international observers that it is absolutely unacceptable, and we want to propose to return back to the DONT system that exists in all European states. That's the...
Thank you, Mr. Petrenko. What is the opinion of the committee?
In favour.
The committee is in favour. I now shall put the amendment to the vote, and the vote is open. Vote is closed. I call for the result to be displayed. The amendment is carried. I call Madam Gutu to support amendment number 7. You have again 30 seconds, Madam.
Merci, Monsieur le Président. Mesdames et Messieurs, nous proposons de rajouter un point à part qui se ferait référence à la situation en République de Moldavie et notamment à inviter le parti d'opposition, le Parti des communistes, de cesser de boycotter les séances du Parlement et d'adopter une position constructive pour surmonter la crise institutionnelle et notamment élire le Président de la République. Merci.
Merci, Madame. Does anybody wish to speak against the amendment, Mr. Petrenko? 30 seconds.
I hope I don't abuse. But we have already discussed this, and we did not accept this proposal 2 minutes ago. The main opposition party is working in the parliament in its working bodies, structures, and this amendment totally does not reflect the real situation in our country.
Thank you, Mr. Pratenko. What is the opinion of the committee, Madam Olset?
Against.
The committee is against. I shall now put the amendment to the vote, and the vote is open. The vote is closed. I now call for the result to be displayed. The amendment is not carried. Amendment number 8 was unanimously agreed, and we will now proceed to vote on the whole of the draft resolution contained in document 12634 as amended. The vote is open. The vote is closed. I call for the result to be displayed. The resolution is adopted.